Benvenuti. Welcome to ITMA 2023. Preparation for ITMA is currently in full swing, entering the final stages. The atmosphere on site is bustling with positive energy. Exhibitors, installers, and their contractors are gearing up for the opening on 8th of June. With hundreds of service vendors and staff members, we are working diligently and tirelessly to ensure the success of this mega exhibition.
The heaviest piece at this edition 2023 is about 30 tons in weight. At peak time, we have approximately 150 forklifts and 40 cranes in operation. The on-site operation personnel is in peak time about to 300 personnel staff.
Fiera Milano's infrastructure it makes it possible to host heavy engineering exhibition. In our pavilion we have a large number of electric, water and air compressed sockets that permit a very smart connectivity of our utilities.
The excitement surrounding ITMA is incredible, as it marks the first global exhibition for the textile industry since the pandemic, allowing for face-to-face engagement once again. Get ready for the show, and Milan provides the perfect backdrop for ITMA 2023, which will shape the future of the global textile industry. May I wish all participants a fruitful participation in Milan.